Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of my finished jewelry for the bargain bead box of August 2023 Woodland Whimsy. I did 4 tutorials from this box. I will leave all the links below, and I still have some beads left. So, okay, I forgot to turn that last light on. So this is the first tutorial that I did, and I took this Unikite pendant, the octagon or hexagon pendant, my gosh, and I attached the chains behind it with the jump ring. So it was kind of like this dangle focal piece, and a lot of people were saying they liked it because they didn't really like this by itself, and then I added that cute, adorable little mushroom. I wish we would have gotten a whole bag of these babies. So yeah, that's what I did with this. And then I had my leaves and just, did, let me drag this down because it gets undone. These 2 necklaces that I made for these tutorials, they have to be hanging in order to really see them right, because they're made to kind of hang on the necklace, on the neck. So, and then this, I used the toggle clasp. This is so pretty. So this was my first one that I did, and I do love the way this turned out. I think this was so pretty. A lot of people said they were going to try making it, which makes me so happy. Okay, let me put that to the side. Then my second one was a pair of earrings that kind of matched that necklace. Let me get the dangles right. So I put the little leaves on there. And then the little beads hanging from it. I used up all the chain in this month's box. So, yeah, this was it. I thought this was really pretty. And this little hint of this orangey red color was so pretty this month because it really kind of muted down too much of the green, and it brought out more of almost like the color that's in here. Like if you look at that, it's not orange. It's almost like a terracotta color. And so that just kind of brought out the color even a little bit more. So, and I did a tutorial for these. This is pretty self-explanatory, but I did a tutorial for these, so I will leave that link below. And then next, I did this gorgeous memory wire bracelet. One thing that I like to do when I get a bunch of the beads left over from the box, and you have 3 of something, 1 of something, whatever, is to make a really pretty memory wire bracelet with all the leftover beads. And it's a great way to use up your stash from that month's beads, and it matches perfectly with any of the jewelry here. So I will leave the link below to this as well. This was, I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I might. This is just really pretty. And I think with fall coming up, this is definitely like fall jewelry. I think with fall coming up, with a pair of jeans and a spiced latte. One can only dream when you live in Florida and it's 100 degrees right now. Okay, and this is my last one. Now, this has to be hanging up on a bust to see the total, but I'm sure you guys have seen the tutorial for this, but it has to be hanging up on a bust in order to see how this actually looks, because it just doesn't, laying down, it doesn't do it justice. Let me see here. Yeah, it's so pretty. I love the way this one turned out. I mean, we got a lot of jewelry. I still have one of these little pendants left too. I'll probably make another necklace. Maybe I'll add it to something else. But I got a lot of jewelry out of this month's box. I was really happy with this box. And I just added my own little seed beads. I wanted to add this to match this color right there. I wanted little pops of it throughout the jewelry. See how I did it with this too. So I added the transparent gold and the light red, and they're both 11.0 seed beads. So see how, you know, I just had little blocks of it kind of throughout here because they didn't give us enough of these little beads right there. I would have loved a nice long strand of those. Okay. So yeah, so this was my jewelry. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. I had a lot of people really love this one. I'm hoping the other ones, and a lot of people like this one too. I still haven't posted these 2 videos yet. I'm getting ahead of myself here a little bit because I'm trying to pre-tape my videos. So, yeah, so if you are interested in a bargain bead box, I will leave the link below. I will leave a link to all 4 of these tutorials if you want to watch them to give you some ideas. And you can, you know, you could take other colors and put it in here too as well. I mean, I just did the orange because I thought it, or the light red because I thought it looked so pretty with those other pieces. Yeah, these would make great gifts for fall. You know, these would be good for Thanksgiving, you know, just for the upcoming cooler days. So, yeah, so let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. And if you get the bargain bead box and how you liked this month's box. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I suggest you subscribe because I have so many videos that I'm posting. All kinds of different tutorials. I'm actually getting into this little shabby chic era here, and kind of I've got a couple videos that I'm going to be posting for some funky little earrings and necklaces and bracelets and stuff, so you need to stay tuned for that. So follow me on all of my social media, my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook. And I will see you on my next video. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you then.